Morning, guys. So this morning we're going to try and get our draft done. So you're going to have to go grab all the right tools. I have my ruler, I have my 60-40, or sorry, 60-30 triangle, tape, paper, and of course your T-square. I'll zoom this out maybe so we're not getting sick right off the bat. Okay, and then we're going to line up our paper. So remember, your T-square has got to be super tight to your desk. And then we're going to line it all up and tape it all down. So tape going here. This part doesn't get square. The rest of our drafting is almost impossible to make it look good. Corner there. Just gonna double check. We're off just a hair. This wobbly desk is helping our situation. Okay, I got the top two put on. Now I'll come down to these bottom two. Throw those on. Put this one on. Okay, perfect. Paper's taped down. Now, as we know, the next step is to make our border. I'm going to go 1/4 of an inch. So if I zoom down here for you. Remember that 1/4 of an inch is right there. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to zoom back out. We'll go 1/4 inch the rest of the paper all the way around. Okay. Then we're going to take our T-square, make sure that it's tight on the edge of the table. And then we're going to start drawing our lines. So I'm going to come down to this one here. Not a heavy stroke, just a nice light pencil stroke. Same at the top here. Nice light pencil. Then we will drop, whoops, sorry. Camera is sitting on the edge of the table here and doesn't want to stay where I want it to be. Go to the side, flip it over, go to this side. Okay, right there I have my border. Border is done, but remember we want a title block at the bottom. And the title block is 3/8 of an inch. So I'm going to come up 3/8. I'll zoom in on that. So 3/8 is the long one between a 1/2 and a 1/4. I'm kind of off there a little bit, but you get the idea. Bring this back up. Draw that line across. Okay, so now we have our title block made. Now, remember that we have this book. If you ever get confused about dimensions, so I'll put this in the video so that you can look. So the first one, I want the school, it's 2 3/4. Next one is the title, 2 1/2. Then the scale, 1 3/4. Then the date is 1 inch, drawn by you, of course, 2 inches. The last one is 1/2 an inch. Okay, so let's start laying these out. The very first one, 2 3/4. So I'm going to get my ruler. Remember, we're using the 16 scale, 2 3/4. 2 3/4. Then we had 2 1/2. So I'm going to put my 0 there. 2 1/2 over here. Then we have 1 3/4. 1 3/4. Then we're going to have 1 inch. Then we have 2 inches, and we should be left with a 1/2 inch, which is what we have. Perfect. Okay, so now again, I'm going to drop my triangle down. Kind of see where I'm going. There. Slide you down. Slide you down. Oops. Down. Remember, your T-square needs to be super tight on the edge of your desk. Otherwise, you're not getting those nice, crisp, straight lines. Okay, perfect. So, the first one, let's straighten it out a little bit. This is maybe U7. Cool. Then I have greenhouse bench. This is my project name. Scale is going to be 1:1. Let's go down. The date, we are June 13th. My name, and this is going to be page 1. Hey, one sec here, I'll pause my video. Whoops.